Alright, this is with the factory 6 dome lights that's in here from the factory. They're not very bright. I've even changed them to LEDs, as you can tell. Okay? And I'll show you the difference when you swap them. You can see this is one of my dome lights I bought. I bought 13 of them. And I'll show you what it looks like with the and what I did is I just tapped off the hot wire to each one of them. There's one next to each one of those lights, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now, all I did was turn on them dome lights, and you can't even see the other lights with the dome lights on. And I've got, I don't know, 6 or 7 more of those left. So you can do, above the kitchen stove or whatever. But there we go. I had to hook those up now that I got the sheet metal up and I got the windows in. They're all black. Not much light gets in here. So there we go.